am here with IRoyal here. It's my first time trying out a wig from this company, so I'm so excited for it. It says I am the royal girl with IRoyal here. Okay, so let's see. So I open the package and I see the wig. Okay, and apart from the wig being in the package, I got a wig cap and a pair of lashes, and this is some 3D eyelashes, it said, and that's everything in the package. For today's wig, I have a gorgeous straight texture. You guys see that flow? You see that movement from the hair? It feels really nice and silky. I absolutely love that. This is, you know, lightly pre-plucked. I love that. So for the length, it says it's 26 inches long. However, it does look a little short for 26 inches. I'm not gonna lie. So in here, there's just a tag just explaining like hair care and stuff. Basically, yeah, I'm not sure if you guys can see, but yeah. So for the length of the hair, it says it's 26 inches, but this very much feels more like, you know, 22-ish, 24 maybe. Yeah, so yeah, the length isn't what I expected. What I noticed though, it's nicely layered. Yeah, I just wish it actually looked like 26 inches. The color of this hair, it's not all the way 1B, it's more like a 1. You know, so I do love that, because you guys know I've been becoming more obsessed with jet black hair, or like jet black on my wig since recently. I've customized a couple to be jet black. So yeah, this is a nice dark color and I love that. So it's a full-on 13x4 lace front wig. It's a medium brown lace, and inside has 3 combs along with adjustable straps in the back. It does look really good. I can tell you the quality of this right off the bat feels amazing. I'm not getting any shedding, so that's good. Not getting any shedding. It feels really nice and manageable. It's not heavy, it's just manageable, and it's very full and nice. So I'm going to be sure to put the density and all the specifications in my description box. This feels amazing. So yeah, let me go ahead and get to putting this on. It definitely is, you know, longer on the ear portion for me, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut away the excess lace. So I'm actually going to be doing a light glue install, and what I mean by that is I'm only going to be doing like 1 layer of glue, and in combination with some got to be to kind of, you know, ensure that I have it sealed. So that's what I'm gonna do, because I'm actually getting ready. I'm actually getting ready for an event, you know. So I say doing a nice glue install is always like more secure, you know. At least for me, got to be is not very lasting. Got to be on its own. So at least not in these, like in this summer weather. No. No, that's rough. So alright, so I'm gonna do it in halves, as you guys know. So I'm just gonna, you know, cut it, slit it at the middle there, and then I'll just apply my glue right here. So the glue that I'm using today is the Ebin New York Wonder Lace Bond.
All I need is 10 more minutes, 10 more minutes with you. Let me give it a one last shot. Will I ever get through to you? Oh, am I wasting my time? Should I leave for the night? It's unclear at the moment. Can you give me a sign? I'm here trying and trying. I need 10 more minutes with you. So let me know if you give up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you give up hope by now. So let me know if you give up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you give up hope. I need 10 more minutes. minutes with you.
So this is how we're looking. So you know, I'm doing my 2 swoops on the sides here, and you know, sideburns, and you know, not too heavy, light. So I'm going to just like use some gel to swoop it, and then I'm gonna get the lace really melted by putting on my elastic band here. And then we can jump into getting the super bone straight, even though it really don't need a lot of work because it's already so nice and silky and straight. So I got glands. I'm going to be doing a center part today. That's the vibe I'm feeling. So I'm just gonna do that, lay it with my wax stick and stuff. Get really nice and precise. And then I'm gonna go through it thoroughly with my flat iron.
Yeah, I just wanna go back home. Can't do this anymore. I can't get through to you, so what the fuck am I fighting for? What all those rumors do? Or were you trying to get a rise out of me? A rise out of me? Or I don't wanna make it all about me again. But I don't even know half the things you said. So let me know if you gave up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you gave up hope by now.
This is how we're looking, guys. It's really nice, you know, really silky. It's full from the root to the tip of the hair, so that is lovely. So shout out to IRoyal Hair for that. Barely any flyaways. I love that. The movement, the luster, yeah, it's really nice. The only thing I wish is that it was more true to the length that it's stated to be. I did not receive a lot of shedding at all with this. It was really nice, so I definitely highly recommend it. Highly recommend. If you're looking for a really nice straight wig, you can check this out. So I'm gonna be sure to put all the specifications of it, as well as the direct link to this wig in my description box, so you can go ahead and check that out. And yeah, that's it for today's wig look. That is it. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found this video informative, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up for yourself.
So let me know if you give up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you give up hope. I need 10 more minutes.